This is your 5-minute toned arms challenge. We're gonna be doing non-stop movements, and I'm gonna add on ankle weights for an extra burn. If you don't have any, that's okay. You can still do this workout. I'm Action Jacqueline. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and if you're not, then welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started in our workout. I've got my ankle weights on. These are each 1 pound, okay? If you're doing this for the very first time, I suggest not using the ankle weights and then adding them in later. And then you can also bump it up by adding 2 pounds or 3 pounds, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. Our first move is going to be pressing back like there's a wall behind us. You're gonna press low, press high, press low. Let's go. Low and high, low and high. So notice my thumbs are down, pinkies are up. And this is a perfect little arm challenge to squeeze into your day or add after another workout. And now here, I want you to really focus on having some tension and resistance in the arms, okay? So using those shoulders, even those lat muscles. Okay, we're gonna press here and then press back. I call these jazz hands right here. So again, imagine that wall behind you and you're pressing that wall behind and you're squeezing those shoulder blades together, but then still keeping your core nice and tight. Good ballet arms. We're gonna open, frame your face, open, and then circle like you're hugging a big beach ball right here. Call these Barbie arms. So you're gonna press down and up, press and up. So keep those arms at a 90-degree angle and feel those shoulders work like crazy right here. For you, I got time. For you, so be mine. Would you give me time to give it all to you? Give it all to you. Woo. They are burning for sure. Okay, so you're gonna scoop under and then you're gonna scoop over. Under and over. Let me give it all to you. Let me give it all to you. All right, let's take our arms. We're gonna squeeze the elbows together and press back, squeeze, press back. So hold that core tight. Spine is nice and straight and strong, and pull those ribs in. Elbows squeeze together and your palms press up towards the sky. I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head. Pull those arms up there. Now you're just gonna flip-flop the fingers. So palms face up and then down. Keep the arms as straight as possible. Squeezing the shoulder blades together. Feel your triceps working. Feel those back muscles working. And of course, keep that core nice and tight. Let me give it all to you. Wanna give it all to you. Good, now let's open it up like a big chest fly, and then you're gonna reach the arms straight up overhead. So alternating between those two moves. Right up overhead, arms are parallel, and then open up wide. So staying at this hinge position here, so you're flexed at the hips, back stays super straight and strong. Let me give it all to you. Let me give it all to you, yeah. Let me give it all to you. Good, so we're gonna squeeze in, out, up, and lower. Squeeze in, up, and lower. Good job. Wanna give it all to you.
stains on your photo.
Okay, we're gonna squeeze those forearms together. Last move right here. Now your goal is to get those elbows up as high as you can. Up, up, up. Nice, keep them squeezed and lift. Up, up, up.
Buried in the flashbacks, all these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes.
Nice work. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed this toned arm challenge. Leave me a comment below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share my channel with one of your friends or family members. Okay, I'll see you next time.